quick and neat. I is for ibis, wading through streams. J is for jay, who chatters and dreams. K is for kingfisher, flashing so blue. L is for lark, singing songs new. M is for macaw, with feathers so bold. N is for nightingale, lovely to hold. O is for owl, wise in the night. P is for parrot, a mimic so bright. Q is for quail, quick on the ground. R is for robin, in gardens it's found. S is for swan, so graceful and white. T is for toucan, a colorful sight.